Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to remove WhatsApp group voice chat, how to turn off voice chat in WhatsApp, and is it possible or is there a feature for that? So if you don't like this voice chat feature on your group chat and you find it very disturbing and annoying and you want to turn this one off, unfortunately, if you go to your group chat and tap this one or long press this one or go to settings, there is no option for turning off or removing this feature. However, you can just simply tap it one by one to delete a voice chat. But if your point is to turn off this voice chat feature, then unfortunately, this is not available on WhatsApp at the moment. However, I'm going to show you another way on how to get rid of this. So what you're going to do here is on your group chat, you just have to click this three dots, or you just have to click this group and then tap this mute notifications. As you can see, other members will not see that you muted this chat. You will still be notified if you are mentioned, but if not, then you won't get notified. So this is the best thing to do here. If you want to get rid with this voice chat, if you don't want to get disturbed with what's going on here, and if you want to simply avoid the activities on your group chat, including voice chat, then what you're going to do is to simply mute this chat or mute this notification until you want to unmute this. By doing this, you will get rid of whatever chats on your group chat, including the voice chat. However, this is not to mislead anyone, but it's just to show you that turning off or removing this voice chat feature is not available on your WhatsApp. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.